Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about 3 popular exercises that are essential for building strength and improving overall fitness: the plank, push-up, and pull-up. But here's the catch. We'll be discussing some common mistakes that people often make while performing these exercises. Avoiding these mistakes will not only help you get better results but also prevent any potential injuries. So, let's dive right in. The plank. The plank is an incredible core strengthening exercise that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. However, it's easy to make a few mistakes that can limit its effectiveness. Let's see what to avoid. Sinking hips. One common mistake is allowing your hips to sink towards the floor. This not only puts excessive pressure on your lower back but also reduces the engagement of your core muscles. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe, engaging your abs and glutes. High hips. On the other end of the spectrum, avoid raising your hips too high. This position shifts the focus away from your core and can strain your lower back. Maintain a neutral spine and find that sweet spot where you feel the tension in your abdominal muscles. The push-up. The classic push-up. It's a fantastic exercise for strengthening your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Let's look at some common mistakes and how to correct them. Improper hand placement. A common mistake is placing your hands too wide or too narrow. Your hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart, with your fingers pointing forward. This ensures proper engagement of the chest and triceps. Sagging or raised hips. Maintaining a straight line from head to toe is crucial during a push-up. Avoid letting your hips sag towards the floor or pushing your hips up towards the ceiling. Engage your core muscles to maintain a stable plank position throughout the movement. The pull-up. Next up, we have the mighty pull-up, an excellent exercise for targeting your back, biceps, and overall upper body strength. Let's explore some common pitfalls. Lack of full range of motion. A common mistake is not performing a full range of motion during a pull-up. Ensure that your chin clears the bar on the way up and fully extend your arms at the bottom of each rep. This will maximize the engagement of your back muscles. Using momentum. Avoid using excessive swinging or kicking movements to gain momentum during a pull-up. This not only reduces the effectiveness of the exercise but also puts you at risk of injury. Focus on a controlled and deliberate motion, engaging your back and arms throughout. And there you have it, folks. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be able to get the most out of your plank, push-up, and pull-up exercises. Remember, proper form and technique are essential for achieving your fitness goals while staying injury-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and exercises. Stay fit, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep pushing.